How to make homemade deer food. If you want to feed deer in your backyard, it's easy to make treats and food with some corn and molasses. You can also make a paste to spread when hunting to lure deer to your area. Deer treats are quick and easy to make with the right combination of ingredients. Number 1. Mix equal parts corn and whole oats. Cracked corn, whole kernels, or ground corn all work well for deer treats. Mix an equal amount of your corn with your whole oats. Amounts will vary depending on how much deer food you want to make. Number 2. Pour in the molasses. The amount of molasses you will need varies depending on how much of the oat mixture you made. As a general rule of thumb, add a quarter cup, 60 milliliters, of molasses for every 2.5 cups, 595 milliliters, of your oat mixture. Number 3. Mix your ingredients. Use a spoon to mix all your ingredients together. Keep mixing until you have a thick paste and all the ingredients are evenly mixed. Number 4. Place the feed in a deer feeder. You can place the feed in a deer feeder, which you can purchase at any hardware store, in your backyard. The feed will likely not go bad, as deer go through feed very quickly. Remake feed as needed as the feeder gets empty. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.